Gates open, dead up and racing. Master Babu draws for your lead. Kay Aquino moving up to take second by the rail. Final countdown. Then comes Macalelo Nori outside. Dr. Choice. Arsenalis by the rail. Then comes Elgin and German. Nori outside. Yes, Joey in between runners. Double O. And Dugos Fantasy is running at the tail of the field. Past the last 900. Master Babu leading the field. Moving up Ori outside. Kay Aquino Arsenal. Moving up by the rail. Then Ori outside. Macalelon. Dr. Choice now down in fourth and heading towards the last 600. Kay Aquino, Arsenal is by the rail. Macalelon down in third and Ori outside. Moving up is Dr. Choice. Then comes entry number 1. Final countdown and Master Babu as they turn for home. Arsenal takes the lead. Kay Aquino is in second. Ori outside. Moving up is Dr. Choice. Now we have Dr. Choice already outside. In between runners once again is Kay Aquino. Arsenal is by the rail. With the last 100 meters more to run. Arsenal, Kay Aquino, Dr. Choice is already outside. And finally it's going to be Arsenal. Second, Kay Aquino, Dr. Choice. Then comes 1A, Yes, Joey, Elgin and German, Macalelon, Master Babu. Double O, Yes, Joey. Rather final countdown and